If your landscape paintings feel flat, this is usually why. It's not your brushes, it's not your paint, and it's not a lack of talent, it's depth. In this video, we're going to walk through a simple way to create depth in your acrylic landscape paintings so they start to feel more natural and dimensional. Let's start with a simple idea. Most landscapes can be broken into three parts: the background, the middle ground, and the foreground. Each of these areas should be treated differently. And once you understand how to separate them, your paintings will immediately start to improve. The background, farthest away. In the background, things should feel distant. That means they should be lighter in value, softer in edges, and lower in detail. A helpful tip here is to add a tiny bit of white or even a touch of blue or gray to your colors. This creates that soft, atmospheric effect that makes things feel far away. You can also slightly blend your edges so nothing feels too sharp. The middle ground, where structure begins. In the middle ground, we start to see more form. This is where trees, hills, or water might sit. Here's a simple tip. Instead of jumping into details, start by blocking in basic shapes first. Think of your trees as simple rounded forms, or your hills as soft slopes. Then once those shapes are placed, you can begin to build in some texture. Keep your contrast moderate, not too soft, but not as strong as the foreground. The foreground, closest to the viewer. In the foreground, everything becomes stronger. This is where you want your darkest darks, your lightest lights, and your sharpest edges. A very helpful trick here is this. Before you finish your painting, go back into the foreground and push the contrast just a little further. Darken your shadows slightly and add a few highlights. Even a small adjustment here can make a big difference. A simple depth check. Here's a quick way to check your painting. Squint your eyes slightly and look at your painting from a distance. Ask yourself, do I clearly see three separate layers, or does everything blend together? If it all feels the same, try this. Soften the background a little more, simplify the middle ground, and increase contrast in the foreground. This one adjustment alone can quickly bring your painting back to life. A common mistake. One of the most common mistakes is giving everything the same level of attention, same detail, same contrast, same sharpness. When that happens, the eye doesn't know where to go, and the painting feels flat. Instead, think of your painting as guiding the viewer forward, layer by layer. This is one of the most important shifts you can make as a landscape painter. And once it clicks, everything starts to feel easier and more intentional. If you'd like to go deeper into this, we walk through this step-by-step inside our landscape painting course. We show you exactly how to build depth, place contrast, and structure your paintings so you don't have to guess what to do next. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next lesson. We also want to say a heartfelt thank you to our Acrylic Arts Academy supporter members. Your support helps us keep these tutorials free and accessible for everyone.